Going on, friends? You can see here, got the kayaks loaded up. Still early. I'll get out here with my buddy and see if we can get us some fish from the kayaks. So, wish us luck. All right, we're on the board.
Got one?
Yeah, just a little gill. Oh, just a little one. This place we're at, I was looking on Google Maps, and it looks like you can kayak to the end and actually get out and drag your kayak a little bit. There's a smaller pond up in the weeds over there, so definitely gonna check that out. There we go, linked up. Oh, nice bass.
Oh, you got a bass. Let's get him on.
It's a largie.
Worm?
Trick worm. First bass of the day for me. Got him. Oh, number 2. Yep. A little smaller. Oh, but you threw my Senko, you jerk. One thing that sucks about filming with my phone is I have to take it off every time I want to take a picture. But it does take nice video quality. Woohoo! Look at this place. This place is amazing. It sounds like there's a waterfall back there, so I'm gonna go check that out in a little bit. But let's see if we can get on number 3. It's crazy, we're out here, it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning yet, and all these bass are hunkered down right on the bottom, about 12 foot of water. 10 to 12 foot of water, and they're just hunkered down. Tried top water for a while and nothing. Switched to a wacky worm. Both of them caught, just dead sticking right on the water. Oh, third species of the day. It's a pumpkin seed. Ooh. Pumpkin seed. Got him. Little guy. Oh, right at the boat. You know what they say? If the reel is gold, the fish will fold.
We must just had a double header here.
Fourth species of the day for me, red ear sunfish. Tiny little guy, but still a nice catch. Don't catch those often back home. Well, I didn't get this one on camera, but it's number 4 for the day. One more from a bag. There he is, bass number 5 for the day. Caught him right up under this tree. Feels nice in the shade, but we're gonna get out of this spot for now. Go to the local tackle shop, Wacky Worm. So if you're ever in the area, Broadheadsville, check that place out. And then I think we're gonna go walk a creek. So over and out.